I can't lie, I haven't been this excited about any drop ever, but I told y'all in the last video that I was more than likely going to go back and grab another piece from the Coach outlet. So let's get into it. Hey, I'm Dre and welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. Over here, we're all about looking and feeling our best for less. So if that's something that you're into, go ahead and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you know whenever I upload new videos. But guys, let's get into this review today. You already know what it is. It is the Coach Denim collab that's got everybody going crazy right now. People were pissed off yesterday when it dropped because there was a lot of confusion on the website. People were staying up late all night checking the website, trying to grab stuff before it sold out. And a lot of pieces sold out online. Well, like 2 or 3 pieces, I should say, sold out online and then ended up being restocked like midday yesterday. I haven't gone on the website again today. Today is Friday, so I'm not sure what it's looking like today, but I placed an online order Thursday morning before I logged in for work and picked it up at my local outlet. So I actually went there, and when I went to the outlet, I saw everything except the large Rowan. They had the mini Rowan, they had both Terrys, they had the camera bag, they had the Ashton, they had that other little shoulder bag, I forget what it's called. I also saw the Nolita. Now I didn't see the mini bucket bag, but I did see the bucket bag wristlets. They had the corner zip wristlet as well as all of the other accessories. I don't remember seeing though the circle coin case charm. That's the only one I don't remember seeing. But I remember seeing everything else in my local outlet that they had out. Now, if they had large Rowans, they were in the back because I did not see them anywhere in the store. And I didn't bother to ask since I was only there to pick up my particular bag. But let's go ahead and get into what I got. So I did buy another dust bag. Some people may think $10 is a lot to spend for a dust bag, and it probably is, but depending on what I buy from the Coach outlet, I sometimes just having it in the dust bag just makes it feel more special, especially since it doesn't come with a dust bag. And with this being a denim piece, I decided I wanted to make sure that I had a cover to keep it protected. So I decided to go ahead and get the Ashton. And I don't know if you guys are shocked at my decision or not. I think that this should be like an obvious choice for me. If anybody's watched my channel and watched me and seen what my style is, I think the Ashton would be an obvious choice. And I've never mentioned it in any of my other videos, but I've been actually looking at the Ashton for a minute. When they had that cracked red shiny leather, they make the Corman mini bag in that as well. I think I saw them do the Ashton in that, and I thought it was gorgeous. I like the way these little pockets look on the front of the bag. So even before the denim collab, the Ashton was on my radar. I just never really saw one that made me really, really want to pull the trigger until now. So if you guys get a closer look at this, you can see that there are 2 pockets on the very front, and they have a very nice, really pretty buckle detail with this vachetta leather. It's a snap closure. And these pockets are big enough to probably fit, like, I don't know if it may fit some cards, but they could definitely probably fit like earbuds or hand sanitizer. So it's the same pocket on both sides. There's no other compartments inside of those pockets. And the pockets are a magnetic slap closure. It looks like these buckles can be adjusted on here, although I don't know why you would. The way they look right now is perfect. So this does have a detachable shoulder strap, and it has gold hardware, but it's like a light gold, not really yellow, more like a champagne goldish color. And guys, I just want you to take a good look at this. Look at the detail. You can even see the Coach horse and carriage logo on this part of the zipper tape right here. Look at that. Look at the detail they're putting into these outlet pieces. And just like the other pieces in this collection, you have a little cherry charm on here on the hang tag. You have leather on the bottom, the blue leather. And if we get on the inside of this bag, it has a removable adjustable shoulder strap. This shoulder strap has 7 adjustments. So it would probably look really nice as a crossbody. And then if we get on the inside of this bag, Before we move on, I wanted to remind you guys that my free ebook is now available. It's called 5 Tips of Purchasing Pre-Loved Luxury Online. It's a quick, simple read designed to help you shop with confidence, save money, and avoid getting scammed. It is pinned in the comments. It's also in my description and it's in my bio. So go ahead and download it if you don't have it already. You can see it has the same pretty blue fabric interior as the other pieces in this collection. There's a small like card slot or like a small slip pocket behind the story patch that's about the size of a card slot. So you could probably stuff quite a few cards in here, maybe some cash or receipts. And there is not anything here on the back wall. But let's just look at some more details on this bag. You can also see that there says Coach on the zipper pull. You can also see Coach on the little round button here on the hook. Coach is even engraved on the bottom part of this. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see that, but it's even on the bottom part right there. I think you can see a little bit. And then you have Coach here in gold on the side. The glazing on this bag is very minimal. So this strap doesn't have any glazing. This is entirely leather. It's kind of wrapped around itself and sewn together. The only pieces that have glazing are these little parts that attach the strap to the metal hook here. So these parts have glazing. And as you can see, the glazing here is on point. It's not red like LV. It's more like of a burgundy brownish color. You see that gold stitching? I noticed it even says Coach here on these D-rings that attach that you hook the shoulder straps to. And there's Coach on the side of the buckle here. Of course, the details carry over to the shoulder strap, so you still have the same Coach there, same Coach on the bottom of that, the bottom right there. If you look closely, you'll see Coach here on the buckle. And look at the glazing on this strap. Just look at the glazing on this strap. This is on point. So guys, I'm really excited about this bag, and it probably won't be my next carry, but it'll definitely be carried within the next few weeks. So I'm going to go ahead and give you guys some mod shots just so you can see what it looks like on. Now, I will say that the drop is a little shorter than what I expected. Like it's perfect. Like the way it hangs is perfect like this, but from the side, you won't be able to see with me seated. But when you see my mod shots, you'll see what I'm talking about. From the side, I feel like it would look cuter if it hung just a little lower. But I have a solution for that. So let me show you what I have. So I got these strap extenders off Amazon. So you would attach the shoulder strap to the link, and then the link has hook on the end, and then you attach that to the bag. So that gives it a little more length, just so that you can really see the detail from the side when I'm carrying it on my shoulder. So I'll go ahead, like I said, and put in some mod shots so that you guys can see what it looks like with and without the strap attachments, and also as a crossbody. So this is what it looks like with no strap extender, just the regular drop. So it's a generous drop, but because of the design of the bag and those pockets, it's kind of awkward the way that I like to hold my arm. Those pockets are kind of in the way. So with the one strap extender, it gives it a little more length. So that's a little more comfortable position where my arm is resting up against the bag. And you see how you can still see the detail on the side. You don't have to push it all the way to the back, even though that's how I have it. You can still see the detail even with my arm down. It's not covering up the whole bag, and it's comfortable. So that's what it looks like with both of the strap extenders. And that's what it looks like with the crossbody. It looks kind of bulky if you're looking at it from the side like that. I think it looks better kind of more towards the front. So that's all I have for you today, guys. I just wanted to come on here and share with you what I got from the Coach outlet from the denim collection. Now, I wanted to give you guys a head up that I do have some other things on the way. I ordered 3 accessories from this drop. So yeah, I went a little overboard, but you know, I did not purchase anything last summer from the retail drop because I just couldn't see myself paying 4, 5, $600 for denim pieces. So when they brought something to the outlet and all of the pieces were like $200 and less, well, the ones that I wanted at least, I decided that this would be the perfect time to go ahead and curate my little denim coach collection. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget, if you're going to get it anyway, you may as well save a few coins. Talk to you later.